1MBI400NP-120 by uscomponent.com. The Fuji 1MBI400NP-120 is a high-performance IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor, module designed for robust power applications. With a voltage rating of 1200 V and a current rating of 400 A, it is well suited for use in industrial motor drives, power supplies, and renewable energy systems. This module features advanced semiconductor technology that offers low on-state voltage drop and fast switching speeds, enhancing system efficiency and reducing energy losses. Its durable construction ensures reliable operation under high temperatures and heavy loads. The 1MBI400NP-120's efficient thermal management and high performance make it a key component in power electronic systems. Ready to buy 1MBI400NP-120? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com.